I woke up early this morning and then I go back to sleep and oversleep a little bit. The ancestors them just wake me up. Now of course, you know today is a war review again. I will be reviewing Massacre new song. See? Also, I have a bonus track. I have a bonus track from Sika Rhymes. Anybody who don't know Sika Rhymes? Sika Rhymes is an artist or a Vybz Kartel did sign. He was one of Vybz Kartel close proteges. As a matter of fact, at one point, I think he was the only artist who left in Gaza. He was the only artist who represent Kartel straight one at a time. So I have a bonus track from him. Before me get into the review on the live, let me remove a piece of this thing here. Before I get into the review, I want to address this little shit house, this little shit one tail, this little dirty mouth boy named MC Saki. See? MC Saki will feel like say, him a Vybz Kartel condom. We feel like say every time Vybz Kartel want fuck, I him for push him with the inner. MC Saki, you can't chat to me. Boy, no girl thing, nothing at all. Remember, out of every celebrity in a foreigner grounds out, and you eat the most front in America. We not talk what you do at Jamaica, you know. Just since you're there, America, MC Saki, are you name the most front in America? You can chat to me. You in my class, you in my league. You wish part me your size little boy? You talk my baby mother. Me and my baby mother rest in peace. Me her soul rest in peace. Me can't have up no man over my baby mother. My son at 19. Me and my baby mother left from my son at 7, 8 year old. 7, 8, somewhere there so. That about 10, 11 years ago. Find a new record, man. Be a fuck when you come chat. When you don't have nothing to say. You are the next two lunatic. Eckle and Jekyll, Ansel and Gretel. Where run the program named The Fix. Them two lunatic there. Everybody come from them program, them ask about Foota Hype. Who say you don't like Foota Hype? So why not to talk about Foota Hype? Because me are the man. And me selling the views. And me are the top shutter boy. And me are the king boy. And me a views God boy. Big idiot Eckle and Jekyll, Ansel and Gretel. Them don't know if you ask a real question. Because if them want to ask a real question, instead of them want to ask about me, them say ask you, why you stuck at Jamaica right now? I don't know for the future. But ask them to ask you, if them did know nothing about the street and know where I'm going with the street, them would have asked you why you stuck at Jamaica. And for you go England the last time with Kartel, I know you can't reach back in America. You go small island and you go back to England and you can't come back in America all know. I that them fi ask you. I that them fi ask you. Them fi ask you a sensible question. Them fi ask you why your wife not like you. The girl who you married right now, MC Saki, why she not like you? She said she can't deal with a man where act like him love man more than how him love she. And that make your wife a war. The woman say her whole dry up. To how you frightened for Kartel her whole dry up. To how you going like you and Kartel a fuck like you suck Kartel with her whole dry up. Tell the people them that. And that the fix for ask you about. And that them for ask you about. Remember Shorty. Not Kartel baby mother Shorty. Shorty from Fort Lauderdale. MC Saki. Shorty from Fort Lauderdale. I'm one of the Fort Lauderdale people, them member who me attack. Them kill our friend on a truck stop. That Shorty there. Member, you used to have to name our front to stay in our house. You boy, we have to eat front, a foreign to find place to stay. Or you have to talk to me. Big Boas boy. MC Saki. Oh, you have to talk to me. You name out Fort Lauderdale, then you go Connecticut, go name out Connecticut, then you name down Philadelphia. Remember the little short brown Trini girl in New York. She walk and talk over and she get eat a yard the best man name her. And she name Yankee, she name African, she get name from all different nations. And she say you name her the best. You can talk to me about girl thing. If my baby mother want to fuck a million man, that have nothing to do with me. I fear her catches, I fear her hold. Me and her left long time. She can do anything when she want. And yeah, criticize the girl. But yet still, as she a boss a run down. And I carry all over the world. You know, say, I love my rubbish. Anything when me talk, I love. I love call me name. Anything when me dash you and put down, I run with. And this is not even about my baby mother. Yo, people when go look for MC Saki old video them. And look for MC Saki new video them. I wonder why motor move so. Go look and see it not two different operations in motor going with. Remember, me have diabetes, you know. Me have health issues and complications, you know. Zine, me is a stroke victim, you know. Bell's palsy victim, you know. Him not have none of them something there. So how him motor move so now like a hoodie night all the time? Or why him look like a hoodie night mouth all the time? Him not have no illness, him not have no sickness. Him hunger sickness, him name too much. Him eat too much crutches. Anyway, me not done with it yet. The two lunatic them, from the fix, Ansel and Gretel. Every time when I guest them come on the show, when I have to ask about Foota Hype. When you hear good thing, when the guest them attack good thing, when you not emphasize on it. But anybody when you hear attack bad thing, when you run come. Why do you not do no homework? When you not interview people? You know, say, on a show would have make more sense if you didn't ask Nuffy, say, why Kartel this year England? Cause MC Saki are going like say, him and Kartel good. Are the best you know put outside. A friend here look, if you get stuck at Jamaica, the DJ in a chat to you, or when you see the DJ come at Jamaica, the giveaways you run got itch up. And I do two video like you and the DJ good when you know the DJ now want to see you. DJ run away at England. Gaza fans, dancehall fans, you know, if you open on the eye. You don't notice that the first show at England, at MC Saki, call out Kartel on the first show. Who call out Kartel on the second two show there? You know, look, you just make be nice every day and say, Gaza, you know, watch it program. A Shani B and Ricky Platinum call out Kartel for the next two show them. You don't ask why. You don't ask why. Because I'm run with big stinking MC Saki. Big shithouse MC Saki. The DJ diss him again. And when them get this, them can't talk. Cause them boy are some dick rider and dick sucker. You can chat to me. You ever seen a boy style me? Whether artist or promoter or nobody, me run with anybody and go stand up by myself. Cause me have my own brand, me have my own boss, me have my own general. You have to kiss Kartel ass and run back a Kartel and ball far with Kartel. And yo, I'm show you why I'm telling you, say, who no make Kartel look like one? You and the little cked one and the one with the Walmart car make Kartel look like a big Batman. See? You go at the store And I do your foot and your finger. And I jump up, boy, hey, watch ya. My daddy said me come do my nails. Daddy said me come do my foot. So you're a batty man. You'd have to wait for 13 years to come from prison. So you're a man, pay for do your nails. And you turn on live and excited about that. And you want to chat about me. Big batty man. You ever see man a brag about man pay for do them nails yet? That's why your wife not like you. Your wife say you move like batty man. You move like she a side chick. You make the girl feel like a side chick. That's why she not like you. Wish man turn on them phone and pal off to the world. Say man pay to do them nails. You know, she said Puff Daddy buy 50 cents to a bunch of flowers and 50 a mash up him career all now. Big batty man like you. MC Saki. At that nightly fish for ask you about. Ansel and Gretel for ask you about them things. But you them don't know nothing about the street. Them just claim so them a do interview them don't know nothing. Them go England or they and the whole England about them interview the wrong people them. Them no interview Andrew Fresh. Them no interview movie star Johnny. Them no link up Raga Rookie. Them no link up what name? Roddy Harry. Them no link the real people them. Them don't know what to do, they don't know about street. But them here, Foota Hype name, them skin catch a fire. Can we give them extra views to them program? This big idiot boy now, MC Saki, tone it down. Tone it down, Foota Hype. MC Saki, over Cumberland, the lady named Patsy Lee, where you grape and molest our daughter from our daughter 11 years old. MC Saki, you rape and molest Patsy Lee daughter over Cumberland when she a 11-year-old. She a big woman now. Turn on your life or make a post and say a lie me a tell and see if me not turn on back alive here when me done this and try the case from yesterday with all relevant witnesses. When me done the live here, MC Saki, turn on your live and say to the public, say a lie me a tell. Or make a post on your Instagram and say a lie me a tell. And see if me not try the case on the blood clot Instagram here with the relevant characters. You raped the girl when she 11 over Cumberland she come from. She named, her mother named Patsy Lee. Say a lie me I tell. That's why I wonder, oh, you is a serial rapist from Portmore. Your boss saying burn out rapist and have you a call him out all over the world. And he is not a alleged rapist. He is a known rapist in a Portmore. Everywhere. Everybody know that. Everybody know that. So, oh, my son Oshan, I him responsible mother now. My son a big man. My son a 19, I got 20. See mother actions and my responsibility. I care less what she want to do. And him have to talk to his mother about that. Big idiot boy, MC Saki. You can chat to me. You left your tongue in a every girl all a Connecticut. You left your tongue in a the brown girl from Trinidad and New York. One night time she text me and tell me, say your wife I call her and not answer the phone. Cause your face the between her foot and name her out. Oh, you can chat to me, boy. You ever hear my baby mother say, me name her, and me go in her back door? Remember when the whole organization mix up and dirty and chamber, don't make me get into it in a youth. If scatter eat when my baby mother, my business with that. He would have to do it, can me not do it. And don't make me talk who else I eat her too. Remember, I'm a baby mother. Me know what go on. So you go on blood clot, antagonize the maddest man from the net. Remember, me not afraid of you, nah, nobody where you affiliated with. Me a bad man, me a mad man, me a god man. Don't ramp with me. Don't ramp with me. Remember, I no scatter alone a eater. Don't make me talk this something them. Remember, me know about the RG them. Me know about the multiple RG them with multiple people. Remember, don't, hey boy, look a suck cock boy, MC Saki. If Kartel have running belly, you know, and tell you, say, make him shit in your mouth, you do it, you know. Cause you can't see no life exist without Kartel, you know. The way you shame like that, the man, this year England, and you still run back at the man. You know, she say, oh no boy, a batty man. You know, she say, some real batty boy. Eh? The man, this year England, in front of everybody, run your way, wicked. You see the stage and can't have a cup on it the last two show them. And you come back to Jamaica, tell the people them why you can't come in America, no man. You get up every day, I want to walk over, I want to pray, I want to bawl, I want to beg God to make Foota get deported. I'm still there. And you get locked out of America. I search hell and hurt now if you try to come in here back. You know, she say God no like on the dirty shit house. You tell the people them that? Dirty sucker, MC Saki. You tell the people them that? Shit in a plate, boy. Remember, you shit in a plate before shit in a plate exists, you know. So you come and chat to me. Next thing. When Kartel come from jail, no you disrespect Sting. No you say Leng better sell the show. And the better Sting not keep. So all you come argue about Sting. And not even like me there Sting. Or me there Jamaica. Figure MC Sting and host Sting. You call up my name. You. Ungrateful, dirty shithouse. Man, we walk with clit in your mouth. No, you this thing. No, you say Length to sell the show. So, oh, you come and argue about Sting now and talk about what Massacre to do and what Tommy Lee to do. You have to go suck your mother. And allow Sting business and you length them work with them an idiot. Cause you come out brawling. Come this thing, me never this thing yet. Me always just say Sting to keep and artist to give Sting strength. So you come in an argument with me. And I come chat about me like you have no ticket for me. Big idiot boy. Me never suck a front and me never will. Me no run back a boy. Anybody no rate me, me no rate them. Kartel box you down before you go to prison. Box you down, wicked. And I'm me. Come here so and say, yo, Jano, Nuffy a year youth him to host the show. And I saw the man chat to you. The man not like your youth. You come and chase everybody. And I go like, so, you have somebody ticket. Big suck front boy. You am down the whole of Fort Lauderdale. Out on the girl catches. You can chat to me, my youth. When you can chat to me, fool boy. When me see Everton Blender show, you never bad up yourself and go and kick down your blood. Hey boy, you know say, the hungry is why I not deal with someone who wicked physically. I told me no say a station and no one going on. I told me no say a police station and no one go. Cause the best thing of the Foota Hype, their prison are stuck in a Jamaica. That you not wish for. And me not go no wish. Big MC Saki. You can chat to me, boy. Boy like you a name fuck all long. Boy like you a drink piss all long.